Hello everyone. Welcome to DevTO. Thanks for all coming out tonight. We're gonna get started with the evening. How many here, how many of you have been to DevTO before? Sorry, other question. How many of you haven't been to DevTO before? All right, awesome. That's not true. So welcome all to DevTO. If you haven't been here before, this is how you can reach any of us that organize this event. Online, obviously, at Twitter, at DevTO. The hashtag for the evening is #DevTO. So if you've got anything to tweet about the speakers, about the event itself, please make sure to include that hashtag. And our community manager, Ava, somewhere in here, will make sure to get that. She's right over there. Any questions, feedback about the event itself, please let us know. We're always looking for feedback from you guys to help us make this better. The code of conduct is now in effect, so that basically means don't get drunk, don't do anything stupid, be nice to everybody, and the whole thing is up on the website, DevTO.ca/COC if you want to give it a read, but you all agreed to this by attending this event. You can find us online on the meetup group. The mailing list at DevTO.ca includes monthly announcements, discount codes, and various news from the tech community and from us. Videos, presentations get published online on the YouTube channel as well as the website. If you're looking to speak at the event, please email us at talks@devto.ca with a brief topic description, and we'll look at scheduling that. We're always looking for interesting talks from the community to bring to the rest of you folks. And then thanks to, of course, all our sponsors for helping us bring this event to the community, the food, the drinks, and various things. So thanks to all these sponsors. And now we're just going to go through them quickly. So first up, Creative Niche, who's been a sponsor for the past couple of years. Today is the last time they're sponsoring us, unfortunately, but Kimmy's going to tell us about Creative Niche, and from DevTO, we'd like to thank Creative Niche for their support for the past 2 years and helping us keep this event going for the community.
Hi, yes. So if you haven't heard of Creative Niche, this is your first time at DevTO, then what we are is we're a creative recruitment agency. We focus on advertising, marketing, and development and innovation. So if you're looking for someone or you're looking to make a move, please check us out. We're at creativeniche.com. We're also on Twitter, Creative Niche, and we want to thank DevTO for having us for the last couple of years, and parting is such sweet sorrow, but we'll be around. But thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Next up, we've got Odan from Mercatus, and he's also going to tell us about Brightlane.
Good evening. I will tell you first about Brightlane. It's an awesome co-working facility at 545 King West. Its key differentiator, it's completely month-to-month, so if your team size is volatile, we do have a state-of-the-art facility, including meeting rooms, facilities, whatever you need to get your startup up and running. In my day job, I am a CTO at a company called Mercatus. I characterize it quickly as a Shopify for grocers. About 65 people, close to 6 million revenue US right now, all licensed revenue. We're doing extraordinarily well. We're looking for web dev, DevOps people, product managers, designers. Generally, the old phrase that I use, if you can type, we're probably looking. Actually, who here is looking for a role? Yay! Okay, please come see me. I guess I should note I lead a fairly complicated life. In my spare time, I advise now over half a dozen companies, all which are doing extraordinarily well. I quip that I've been associated with companies that have earned close to $9 million in value over the span of my advisorships and direct roles. I've also co-founded a cool little company called Forte, which is actually being used by 1/3 of the logos on the screen right now, which focuses on culture scaling and culture growth. So chances are you will encounter it in the near future. In the event, I'll pass it off to the next person on the list.
Thank you, Boden. Next up, we got George from Top Hat.
Hi everyone, I'll try and keep it quick on this hot day. Rather than the regular spiel, I'm just going to say, quick show of hands, who has encountered a negative experience in some sort of lecture where you're sitting there bored silly to death? That method of teaching is actually, decades ago they had a lot of data that says there's a lot of ways to make that better. And frankly, it originated before we had textbooks, so that was really the only way to communicate information. And once textbook came along, there really wasn't a driving need for that format, and yet we still see it today. At Top Hat, we're trying to change the face of education and how that's done and to make things more interactive. If you're interested in any role, I think we're hiring across the board. Please come see me or contact us on our webpage. Thanks.
Next, we've got Well Simple here. No. Okay, Flip. Not see Flip either. Okay. So this month we're also introducing 2 more education sponsors. So this month, Design co-founders and BrainStation join us as education sponsors. We're going to share some discount codes about workshops and courses, events that are provided by both of those education organizations. And finally, we've got Rich, who's going to tell us about Shopify. Surprise, surprise.
Hi everyone, thanks for coming. Stand back here, don't get the feedback. Welcome to Shopify. We're hiring right now, of course, as is a few of the people. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about Shopify, some of the things that we have to offer here, feel free to find me. Kind of hard to miss. That's it.
Thank you so much. So a couple of announcements. So the discount code for BrainStation DevTO 50 gives you 50% off until July 8th of various events that they are hosting over the next week or so. Notably some things like Creators of Toronto, Digital Innovation Banking, Sharing Economy TO, and Lunch and Learn with Jennifer Daly on social commerce here at Shopify actually. So check that out. DevTO 50 gives you 50% off these events. We're also a community group that we've supported in the past, TextDale. We've done if you've heard about it, the run a couple of weeks ago, to help support this organization that organizes workshops for youth in diverse neighborhoods in Toronto. So their program is kicking off July 7th, and they're still in need of about a dozen computers to run their program. We're going to tweet this information out, but if you have got something that you can donate or you'd like to be involved, please get in touch with them at TextDale on Twitter.
Can we donate cash instead?
Yeah, tweet them, I guess. Yeah.
Thanks, Dave.
Yeah, so if you guys got a machine that you can donate, please do let them know. FITC super early birds for Web Unleashed are out. Discount code DevTO gives you an additional 10% off early bird pricing. So that'll be also in the newsletter, so in case you forget. FSTO is happening in October again for I think the 3rd or 4th time now. Discount code DevTO here gives you $75 off registration. It's a full stack tech conference focusing on various areas of the technology stack. So check it out. It's been awesome for the past couple of years, and they're doing it again this year. So many announcements. Toronto Tech Masters Chat. It's a great group for the Toronto tech community. It happens on Slack. Thousands of people are on it every day. Great way to stay in touch with everybody at DevTO and other folks at other meetups in the city as well. So techmasters.chat. And we're ready to get started.